Hey there, awesome day. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, also known as Pajama Grandma. Thinking of doing a countdown to LCW. What the heck is LCW? It is the live challenge workshop that I'm doing for free starting March 23rd at noon Eastern for Monday through Friday. We're going to do and create. You are going to create your own #1 ideal customer getting for free strategy, and by the next Monday, you're going to be able to implement that and use that in your business. I have spent the last 40 plus years in a variety of different businesses in corporate America, helping tens of thousands of business owners and entrepreneurs to build and scale and supersize their business. I always say I help people to supersize their business in ways that won't kill them. And there's a story behind that, of course, which I'm sure I'll share in the free challenge. But my point is, the #1 challenge, the #1 thing that 89% of those customers have always told me right up front, and the other 11% are always thinking it, is if I only had more customers. And actually, if I only had more of my customer like Kim, if I only had more Georges, if I only had more Tonys in my business, because they know that there is a customer that they love to work with. And if they could have those type people coming to them and coming to their business and all of them that they ever wanted, then they would absolutely love and adore the business that they're growing and scaling and supersizing. And who doesn't want to create a business that we love? I have created businesses that I didn't love, and it is miserable. It's actually worse than having a job that you hate. Because a job that you hate, you can always get another job. You can always leave. You can always leave it at the door when you leave at the end of the day. A business with people that you don't want to serve, a business that you don't love, a business that you actually might hate or dislike, that can kill you because you can't leave it at the door. When you're a business owner, 24/7, you are 100% responsible for that business and everything that goes on in and with respect to that business and as a result of that business. You don't get to leave it at the door. And that level of responsibility and stress in something that you don't love can kill you. So that has a lot to do with attracting the people that you love to work with too. So my question for you is today, should I do a 21 day countdown to LCW, the free challenge? And what would you like to see me do in that? I could do the top mistakes that business owners make, the top life lessons learned in the last 47 years of business that have helped me to grow and supersize and scale not one but dozens of businesses, and to help thousands of people to do the same. Whatever you want, how to use, any question you have, share it in the comments below. And if you want me to do a countdown or a quick piece on it every single day between now and the challenge, I would love to do that. Share in the comments below, because I would love to know. And I want to help you get what it is that you want, to create the business that you love and then supersize that business in ways that actually will not kill you. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye.